We'll guide you through how to save text presets in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the application is open, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Set your preferred project settings, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project has been created, press the plus button again and select text from the available options. A text box will appear on the screen. Enter the text that you want to use. Once the text has been added, edit it according to your preference. You can adjust the font by setting the alignment, font, size, and text color. After customizing the text, go to the Effects section. Press Add Effect to open the effect browser. Inside the effect browser, open the text category to view the available text effects. Choose an effect that you would like to save as part of your preset. For example, you can select Text Progress. Apply the effect to your text layer, and then adjust the effect settings according to your preference. Continue modifying the values until the text effect looks exactly the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the text and effect settings, select the text layer that you want to save as a preset. With the layer selected, open the layer options. Inside the layer menu, find and press Save Preset. This will create a preset based on the current settings of your text layer, including the applied effect and its adjustments. After selecting Save Preset, choose the Rename It Now button to customize your preset name. Choose a name that helps you identify the preset easily later. Once the preset has been renamed, it will be available for future use within Alight Motion. If you want to apply the Save preset to another text layer, simply select the layer where you want to use it. After selecting the layer, press Presets at the bottom of the screen. Find and choose the preset that you saved earlier.